has to do with the papal bulls and claims of global authority by the Vatican, the Pope, under the Unam Sanctum 1302, Pope Boniface VIII. Papal bull asserted that the Pope holds supreme spiritual authority over the world. It declared it is absolutely necessary for salvation that every human creature be subject to the Roman pontiff. Some interpret this as a pope claiming authority over all souls on earth. This is spiritual, not material or territorial ownership. Next one was the Romanus Pontifex, year 1455, Pope Nicholas V. This papal bull granted Portugal the right to colonize lands and enslaves non-Christians. It is one of the legal foundations of the doctrine of discovery used to justify European colonial expansion. While not saying the Pope owned Earth, it was used to authorize European monarchs to claim lands and the people under authority of the Church. Here's the legal myths. Some theories suggest that monarchs own Canada or Australia through Crown Corporation legal structures or trust law. But these are governance frameworks, not declarations of owning the planet. So here's the royal decree regarding all of those previous claims about spiritual claims and